Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make separate pages in your Wix website. Whether you're building a portfolio, an online store, or a business site, knowing how to create and organize multiple pages is essential for a well-structured website. Let's get started. First, head over to the Wix website and log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. On the left navigation menu, look for the option labeled Site and Mobile App and click on it. A drop-down selection will appear with several options. From here, go ahead and click on Website. This will take you to where all your site management happens. Now you'll be able to see all the websites associated with your Wix account. If you have multiple sites, take a moment to locate the specific website where you want to add separate pages. Once you've found it, you're ready to move forward with the editing process. From this page, locate the Edit Site button. It's usually positioned beside a pen icon, making it easy to spot. Click on it to begin customizing your website. This button is your gateway to all the design and content changes you'll be making. After clicking Edit Site, you'll be directed to the Wix Harmony Editor. This is where all your customization and design work takes place. The Harmony Editor is Wix's main interface for building and organizing your site, so familiarize yourself with the layout as you'll be spending a good amount of time here. Once you're inside the Harmony Editor, look toward the top left corner of the screen. You'll see a page drop-down button. Click on it, and from the menu that appears, select Add Page. This is where you'll create your new separate page. Wix will present you with 3 different types of pages you can add: AI-generated, choose a design, or blank page. Each option serves a different purpose. AI-generated can help you quickly create a page based on intelligent suggestions. Choose a design offers pre-made templates, and blank page gives you total creative freedom. Pick the one that best suits your needs and proceed. Now, to verify that this page is separated by default, click on the Add Page button again. This time, instead of adding another page, select Manage Pages from the options. This will take you to an overview of your site's page structure. From here, you'll see all your site pages listed in an organized manner. You'll notice that the page you just added is separated by default. This means it exists as its own distinct page within your website's navigation, ready to be customized and filled with content independently from your other pages. And there you have it. You've successfully created separate pages in your Wix website, giving you the flexibility to organize your content exactly how you want. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.